What is up, YouTube? Do you know every now and then there is something that is really, really special that comes out, which kind of slips through the cracks for me. And I admit it, I should have reviewed this as soon as it came out because this thing is really, really crazy good. But I'm reviewing it now, and I'm going to tell you all about this thing. This is something you must have if you want to succeed in the internet marketing world. It's called the Essential 8 from my friend Kevin Fahy. I'll tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull it successfully. What me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as last week's New York bagels. You know, New York bagels are famous the world over. It's a thing with New York water, that the water here is special, makes the best bagels. But if they're stale, you know what? They're stale. It doesn't really matter if they're New York water or not. They're still really bad. So anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Art, enough, okay? Your jokes are getting as stale as the New York bagels. You know, seriously. The guy's so irritating. He does this all the time. Every single time I make a video, yakety, 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 crap. Mark, get a new line. Seriously. But seriously, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Now, I also do a lot of videos here, by the way, involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. She Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. I can't get angry at a fellow New Yorker. And in the spirit of being in a New York Minute, let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for the Essential 8. Now, this is basically Kevin Fahy has bundled together 8 of his very best courses. The stuff that you basically need if you want to succeed and making money online. This is all the stuff you're going to need to learn. And Kevin is a 7-figure internet marketer. He's been doing this for a long time. He really does know what he's doing. So this is somebody who you really want to be learning from. I'm going to show you the members in just a minute, but I do want to tell you about my super special bonus, which I have never done this before for a front-end product. So I have my own course called 6-Figure Coach. And basically 6-Figure Coach, I created it specifically for it's a fairly expensive product. I sell it for $347. Okay, now usually when you buy 6-Figure Coach, you do get access to me with you know, one-on-one coaching. Now, I'm not going to give you one-on-one coaching when you pick up a course that costs $26, but what I will give you access to is all of my videos that I created for the 6-Figure Coach program. So these are videos that other people paid $347 to see. You're going to get them for free when you pick up all of these things inside of the Essential Hacks. And by the way, check this out. I mean, this is just crazy stuff. Okay, look at this. I am product launching. Okay, 3x your profits training. All right, how to set up an online marketing funnel, 15 monetization methods, I am productivity hacks. Okay, everything is included for you in this package. It's really one of the best packages I've ever seen. All right, that it's really just an amazing, amazing package. And when you pick it up, you're also going to get my own 6-Figure Coach. You will not have access to me for one-on-one training, but you will have access to 6-Figure Coach. Now, I am going to do something that is totally bonkers. Okay, if you pick up any upgrade to this package, and by the way, it's 26 bucks. It's not like it's a lot of money. Okay, you can take a look over here. All right, we're looking at the sales page right now. All right, it's $26. This is not an expensive product. All right, if we go ahead and click Get Started, you can see right here, it's going to take me right here to Warrior Plus, $26.30. Okay, this is not a big deal to purchase. All right, and yes, he's 97% off is not that's not hyperbole. It really is worth that much. Okay. My courses are also worth a ton. You're going to get it completely for free, but pick up any upgrade to this thing. Okay. Pick it up for 26 bucks. You're going to get access to my six-figure coach recordings. There's 3 videos. You're going to get access to all 3 videos completely for free as a bonus. Pick up any upgrade though, and then I'm going to give you PLR to all 3 of those videos. Okay, literally, you're going to get PLR rights. That mean you can take my high-end videos and sell them or give them away as a bonus. Use my name in order to bank on my credibility. You're going to be able to use it and make even more money using it. Okay, this is something that I've never done before, probably never will do again. It is going to be limited, so you need to make sure that you pick it up within the next, I think it's 4 days until this launch ends. This is the members area, by the way, so you can see here. So Kevin has a little introduction, and they can see over here all the different things that are included. Plus, he's going to be adding, he's added more stuff over here. Okay, the February 11th upgrade, how to set up an online marketing funnel. Okay, all these things have been included for you for $26. And of course, when you pick it up from me, you're going to get access to my high-end coaching as well for free. Pick up any upgrade, and I'm going to give you PLR to those same 3 videos. This is an unprecedented offer that I will never do again, probably because it's so completely insane for me to do it. But I want to really help you out. I really do believe this can help you to finally break free and build a business of your own. So that's why I'm going to do it. Let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it to Matt's product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you demand. Look, this is bonkers, okay? It is absolutely bonkers that Kevin is offering this thing for so little money. One of the best things I've ever seen. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is so worth it. You're absolutely going to love it.